Hey you guys, yeah, we're at this High Jolly monument in Quartzsite. Kind of interesting. I'm gonna let Lisa tell you about it. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Ignore 'em.
Okay, so this is a picture of the High Jolly tomb. It's actually one of the most visited sites in Quartzsite. And High Jolly was actually a camel driver. Camels were brought over here in the mid 1800s. They were thinking that they could be used in the war to help pack, animals of burden, that they would be easier, would need less when crossing the high desert. And so they were trying to use the camels, but found out that the camels were not very pleasant animals and not very easy to train. So when that was given up shortly after, the camels were pretty much let loose or sold here in the desert. And the main herder, High Jolly, which was the American version of his name, settled here in Quartzsite with the camels, trying to take care of what he could. And so that's how Quartzsite became well known for their camels. This graveyard, the cemetery, is named High Jolly after him, and this is all part of the pioneer tombstones and such. You can see here from 1902 to 1990. So these are all early graves, and they get even older.
Okay, where are we headed now?
I'm not sure.
Well, you guys will know right now. Hey guys, we're at Silly Al's Pizza in Quartzsite. Look at that. I think we're gonna destroy this. Alrighty, Silly Al's Pizza.
Yeah. Well, it's moved out. We're not going to pack in. But I guess in the dark.
So now apparently we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Hey, what?
Yeah, so what'd you think of Silly Al's Pizza?
It was delicious. I've heard good things about it, and that lived up to everything I heard. It was very good.
The crust, that was some of the best crust.
Yeah.
Soft, and lots of
Pizza
meat.
was all the way to the edge of it.
We had a meat lovers, and it was loaded with meat, and relatively reasonably priced.
Definitely recommended, even if you're just kind of driving by it and you want to stop for something to eat. It's a great place, definitely.
Yeah. So now we're gonna grab some ice cream. All right. Ice cream was good too. Another beautiful sunset tonight. There's no breeze tonight, so we thought we'd come and have a fire. Nice day. Got a full moon coming up right there. Hopefully it'll be a little clearer for you.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, we're burning our beer box.
That is quite a picture.
So yeah, wonderful.
Finally enjoying a fire. Hoping we'll see lots of stars tonight.
It's been really breezy out here. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Okay, there's the moon a little higher. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that good. Purple Mountain's Majesty. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are at the RTR, Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. Cheap RV Living, Bob Wells started this. I don't know how much I'm going to film in here, but they have some kind of seminar, some kind of class going on right now. Might see some other YouTubers here too. So I'll get back to you. Okay, yeah, it was going to be laundry day today. The biggest laundromat was packed full, and we've got quite a bit of laundry to do. So we went to the less popular laundromat, a smaller one, and packed busy too. So we went to lunch and said, hey, let's try a truck stop. So we're at this Arco truck stop on the east side of town, I-10, and found one washer there. We're just doing sheets, and I guess we're going to come back into town early tomorrow morning to finish laundry. So before you get to Quartzsite, be sure you have whatever, a couple weeks worth of clean laundry. Okay, we're back at the RTR, and this is a seminar class on work camping. There's a Brian who's going to be kind of taking over, not really taking over, but cheap RV living. You know, Bob Wells. He's speaking up there. I'm not sure who the other lady is, but I didn't want to bother everybody. But anyway, so yeah, we're in this class this morning about work camping, and here's Lisa right up here.
Isn't a bad deal because, again, you're not moving, so you're saving on gas.
Okay, this is Bob Wells's old van. Well, I don't know how old, but he's got an ambulance-looking thing now, that green one. But yeah, they're gonna do a sweepstakes on this. $5, you can win this van. Pretty no frills. I don't know. Probably just sell it to somebody if I want it. But there's his bed. Got solar. I mean, you can definitely live off grid with it. And then also they're raffling off these things here too. So some Blue Eddy stuff.
Let me add that to it.
Anyway, yeah, that's we're gonna head over to the work camping tent tomorrow morning. Big work camping area. There are lots of people hiring for work camping. By the way, there's Bob Wells right there, and his dog Cody. So anyway, we're pretty. I think this is it for the RTR for us. We they've got boards over here with needs and wants and people offering services. At the other side of the this is the baseball field. They're having around baseball field. On the other side over there, they've got tables where if we didn't need something, we'd put it on a table, and then somebody else might need it. So anyway, that's it for us in the RTR.
The thing about giving your heart away is hoping love will never.
Okay, so let's wrap this one up, and so what do we all do? We did High Jolly. What'd you think of that?
Interesting. I mean, just because of the history of the camels and how they got here. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, and I never knew that.
No.
Then Silly Al's Pizza. We're going back there.
Delicious. Very good.
Yeah, highly recommend.
Yeah.
Cold beer and great pizza. What else?
Did the old mines?
No, that was last week.
Oh, that's true. That's right.
Yeah, the RTR.
RTR. And where we did our laundry, one of our daily chores.
Oh yeah,
or
yeah,
weekly
yeah.
chores, whatever.
Yeah, these laundromats get packed. So be prepared for that
Yep.
during this week.
You gotta go early in the morning. Earlier, the better. So that worked out better, yeah. Because we went once and then walked away, and then went back the next day earlier, and that worked out fine.
Yeah, yeah. And then our tan lines disappeared.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, you guys. Love each and every one of you. God bless. Thanks for watching. Share this with a like-minded person. Please, if you need anything from Amazon, use my Amazon associate link in the description. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when we publish. And we will see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.